The DJI Mini 5 Pro has the drone community buzzing with excitement. This highly anticipated release builds on the success of the Mini 4 Pro, which was already a favorite among drone enthusiasts. Rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro will feature cutting-edge upgrades in camera performance, AI tracking, and connectivity. All of this while still maintaining its signature lightweight design. So how far can DJI push the boundaries of innovation without sacrificing portability? Let's dive into what we know so far. One of the biggest advantages of the Mini series is its sub 250 grams weight, which makes it exempt from licensing requirements in many regions. The Mini 5 Pro is no exception. However, this design constraint challenges DJI to innovate while staying within the weight limit. Rumor has it that the Mini 5 Pro will feature a new, lighter battery design. This ensures that its impressive 40-minute flight time isn't sacrificed. By carefully balancing portability and performance, DJI continues to make this series accessible to beginners and enthusiasts alike. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to bring significant enhancements in camera performance. One of the most exciting leaks points to the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, a notable upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's first 3-inch sensor. While the resolution might remain at 4K, this larger sensor promises to deliver much better low-light performance, richer details, and an enhanced dynamic range. For photographers and content creators, this could mean capturing breathtaking sunsets, intricate shadow details, and vibrant, lifelike colors. Whether you're documenting stunning cityscapes or immersing yourself in outdoor adventures, the Mini 5 Pro might just redefine what's possible in professional-grade visuals, all in a compact and portable package. Eye-powered tracking has become a key feature of DJI drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to take this technology to the next level. Leaks suggest improvements in object recognition and tracking algorithms. This could enable the drone to follow fast-moving subjects like cars, athletes, or even wildlife with greater precision. These enhancements make the Mini 5 Pro a perfect choice for dynamic filmmaking. Faster responsiveness would make controlling that safety and precision are always top priorities for DJI, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to enhance its obstacle avoidance system. Rumors suggest the introduction of a comprehensive 360 degrees detection system. This advanced safety system could unlock new possibilities for capturing innovative aerial shots. More precise, especially for professionals who require sharp visuals during remote operations. For recreational users, this means seamless navigation and an uninterrupted viewing experience, even in challenging environments. Achieving this while maintaining the sub 250 grams weight showcases DJI's expertise in power efficiency and design optimization. This extended flight time allows users to focus more on capturing the perfect shot, exploring vast landscapes, or executing complex cinematic maneuvers without frequent interruptions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone operator, this balance of portability and endurance is sure to enhance your aerial photography experience. Industry insiders anticipate the Mini 5 Pro's release in late 2024, following DJI's established product cycle. This timeline provides the company with ample opportunity to refine its design and thoroughly test its new features. As for pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to fall within the $700–$800 range. Considering the rumored upgrades, this price point aligns well with DJI's reputation for delivering exceptional value. It offers advanced features typically found in higher-end drones while retaining the affordability and accessibility that the Mini series is known for. The Mini 5 Pro may not represent a groundbreaking leap, but its rumored enhancements are meaningful steps forward. By addressing key pain points from the Mini 4 Pro, such as low light performance and connectivity, while preserving the hallmark portability of the series, DJI continues to cater to a broad audience. Beginners will appreciate its user-friendly design and safety features, while professionals will benefit from its advanced camera, AI tracking, and connectivity options. Whether you're documenting a serene sunset or capturing high-energy action shots, the Mini 5 Pro promises the refined experience that balances innovation and practicality. The script has now reached its conclusion with the overall appeal section, which ties together the Mini 5 Pro's features, potential benefits, and audience reach. There's no further content to proceed with based on the provided outline and details. Thanks for watching.